I got these awesome drip pans to show you guys. They're for the Blackstone. They fit 28-inch, 30-inch, and 36-inch. So compatible with those. So these are going to go on the back of your barbecue rig to catch any oils or anything that's running off of your griddle. So let me show you here what they look like. It came in a pack of 24, which is really awesome. Nice little pack like this, nice and compact, so you can fit it right in the camper or with your camping stuff. Not big and bulky. Here's just one of them for you. It fits a lot, so this is a really great alternative, you guys. You hook it right on the back, catches everything. So when you're done with your meal and you're done cooking, you can take this whole thing and throw it in the trash. So yeah, if you're looking for a really awesome set, a large set, so you don't have to buy them for a while, this was a really, really great price. It's compatible with the ones you would find in the store, very similar. And yeah, if you're looking for these, I found mine over on Amazon. You can find them over there.